Hi, this is Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio. So today is the last day of July 2019 and this video should be up on the 1st of August. And today I'm just going to do a quick flip through of this little journal that I made for working in during July. I took a break from filming during July and wasn't actually on social media a lot either. I knew I wouldn't get a lot of time to make art, so I just put together this what I called torn pieces journal, various bits of kind of junk, old painted papers, fragments of material, and I just wanted something that I could work in when I had the time and when I had the inclination. Some days I didn't do much more than simply sticking down a bit of washi tape. So the journal is neither complete, but nor is it incomplete. I sat down to do a page today, but I thought, no, I'm done with this, certainly for the time being. It was there for the purpose of using during July, and I don't know, maybe I'll go back to it sometime. But anyway, I just want to do a quick flip through of it today. I hope you enjoy it. It's nothing special. It literally was just there for me to use as and when I felt the need to. So it is what it is. So hope you enjoy this flip through. So that's it. A simple little journal made of various bits of scraps, pieces of paper lying around, some had some colour on them, pieces of envelopes, and just pulled together into a journal. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon when I get back to more regular filming. Bye for now.